Hello, everyone. Hope everyone is well today. Today, I am going to make another basket, and this is going to be a red concept. So, come with me as I proceed. Let's see if I can get this right. And I hope you enjoy this video. I've have to. Okay, so there we go. All right, so once again, come along with me while I go ahead and put together this red concept. So, of course, this is a box up under here, and I have the middle of the box covered with this black cardstock. But that won't be seen once I place everything on the box, and I'm going to use some of my red paper that I cut myself. We're going to use that. So let's go. Come along with me. And I hope that you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and feel free to share this video. So let's go, y'all. Let's see if I can get this together. All right, so what I'm using here, everything is from Dollar Tree except this one little item. This is a hair bonnet that came a couple in a pack, and I took this one out. I got this from TJ Maxx. So let's go ahead and start with my tumbler here. This is a water jug. I call it a water jug. I don't know what everyone call it or what the right name is, but I call it a water jug. So I'm going to place that right there. Okay. Next, I'm going to use my cherry blossom scent, and I'm going to place that. Let's make sure I have enough glue on it. Let's go ahead and place that right there. I'm not going to press down on it yet because I want to balance my stage there. Next, I have my cherry blossom scent, again, all from Dollar Tree. Hmm. Let's get this tape on here. Get some more glue on here. Okay, there. So let's place this right here. Okay, there we go. All right, and next I have my Wizard, what is this called? Crystal Beads Air Freshener, again from Dollar Tree. There we go. We're going to place this. See if I can get that to stay right there. Okay, so far so good. Let's see, what do I have next? Okay, going to place that right there. Okay. And then I have the bath bomb. So let's see. Let's go ahead and place this right Let's place that right there. You all go and sit down. I'm recording something. Go and sit down. Bye bye. It's my grandkids coming in, want to play. Okay, and next I have my flowers. So this here, these are pieces from a different bunch that I had. So let's go ahead and place that right in there. Let's see if I can get that to stay. Yes. Okay, so let's see what we have here. So far, this is what I have. See if I can keep this from leaning. Let's see. Take a twist. Let's see if we can. Okay. So now let's go ahead and put some of my paper thread or threaded paper that I crinkled up. Fill in these spots here. I don't know if this is too much red. Uh, but I try to put lighter colors in here so that it doesn't look so dark. Let's see. Hmm, looks kind of dark to me. And it's leaning. I don't want it to lean so much. So let's see what I can do here. So let's see. Feels like I can put something else in here. See what do I have. So I have the mist. I have the but this flower's close is let's see. Because this flower is hiding my okay. So far this is what I have. So this is what I'm working with. Let's see. This is what it looks like, y'all. Okay. And I put a piece of red cardstock back there to for support, a little extra support. Okay. This is it. Let's see if I can bring that down just a little bit. Maybe just a little bit more so that it don't hide. Okay, so I have to fix this. I'm gonna bring this down just a little bit more so that it doesn't hide my spar label. But yeah, so this is it. So tell me what you think, guys. And please, like I said, I am truly in need of subscribers. So please like and share my video. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to my video. I will faithfully follow and subscribe to anyone who I haven't subscribed to. But please help me out by liking my video. Again, I thank you and I appreciate you. Whether you're subscribed or not, I do appreciate you. And I know that one day I'll be able to say I reached at least that 100 mark and then move forward. So thank you, everyone. You all have a good day. God bless.